Welcome to Mandarin for Travel. In this video, we'll focus on learning essential Mandarin phrases for taking a taxi. Our topic for today is taking a taxi, which is zuo chuzuche in Mandarin. Hello everyone, welcome to the video. I am Luna. Today we will learn a very practical topic. Please relax, listen slowly, and speak with me. Are you ready? Let's begin. To hail a taxi, say chuzuche, which means taxi. When you get in, greet the driver with shifu ni hao, or hello driver. Remember, shifu is a polite way to address the driver. To ask the driver to take you somewhere, say qingdai wo kue, or please take me to, followed by your destination, such as jichang for airport, judian for hotel, or huochejian for train station. You can also ask to be taken to a shopping mall, shengchang, a restaurant, canting, or a bubble tea shop, naicha dian. If your Mandarin is not good, say wo dezhong wen butai hao. You can show them the address on your phone and say zheshi diji, meaning this is the address, and qingdao zege difang, meaning please go to this place. To discuss the fare, you can ask duo xiaoqian, or how much is it, or dagai duo xiaoqian, or about how much. You can also ask ki piani yidian ma, or can it be a little cheaper? If you need the driver to change speed, you can say qingman yidian, or please slow down, or qingkuai yidian, or please go faster. Remember to always be safe. When you are nearing your destination, you can ask the driver, dao le ma, or are we there yet? The driver might reply, kuai dao le, meaning almost there. To ask about payment methods, you can ask, wo kei shuaka ma, or can I use a card, kei yung shenjin ma, or can I use cash, or kei shu jijifu ma, or can I pay by phone? When you arrive, thank the driver by saying xiexi shifu or thank you driver. A warm phrase to use is xinkule, which means you worked hard. Now, let's practice some of the phrases we have learned. Try saying shifu ni hao, qingde wo kujichang, dage duo shao qian, and qingmen yidian. Here is more practice. Repeat after me. Dao le ma, wo ki shuaka ma, and xiexi shifu. Xinkule. Let's quickly review the key phrases. Repeat after me. Chuzuche, duo shao qian, dao le ma, qingdai wo kuijudian, qingkuai yidian, and xiexi shifu. You did very well. Please try it next time you travel. Where do you most want to go by taxi? Please tell me in the comments. Please like and subscribe for the next video. See you next time. Goodbye.